Have you found your little saw, Doug?
No, I found this one instead.
Well, that's not big, so we can class that as being semi-little.
It's semi-little.
Semi-little.
Yeah. Oh, I've had this in. This is...
Oh yeah, John's.
John.
Yeah, he wanted me to do a bit of a video about it.
Yeah, I've done it. I've lowered the action right down for him. I've done the frets, done the nut, done the bridge. I've had to take the neck off, which you do with them holes there. So there's one in there. That's
Do you plug a laptop in?
nearly. See this? There's 4 magnets there.
Oh, that's for his thing that goes on the back, isn't it?
Yeah.
Come on, tell me about how you took the neck off.
Right. Well, you don't undo them. Them 2.
Yeah.
That isn't part of it. That's just a cover.
Okay.
Pretend that, so you put an Allen key through that hole.
Okay.
Allen key. What's the name? Where is it? That.
Yeah.
That goes through the hole, through the hole, and there's another one of them bolts in the side there.
Yeah.
You can see it's locked in there.
Yeah.
Right. You do that. You take that out, and it fastens inside the neck.
As well. Okay.
The bolt does. That bolt goes inside the neck. Right.
Hold it up a bit so I can see.
You
inside.
can't see it.
Well.
It goes behind that block there, and it's in that block. You can see.
Oh.
Okay. And it bolts the neck down.
Yeah.
There's also a little adjuster there.
Oh,
so you can't see what that does until you take everything off. That moves the neck that way, or back.
Why would you do that?
I'm just telling you what it does first of all. I'll tell you in a minute.
Oh, because the bridge, yeah, okay.
Yeah, so you've got a chance to set the intonation.
Yeah, it makes
with
sense.
That.
Yeah, fair enough. Yeah.
Well, it should have already been done where you put that in, you know, and set it. But anyway, there's more complication. So the bolt that you do through there.
Yeah.
You undone it.
Yeah.
And then when you take the neck off by taking the other one off as well.
Yeah.
It slides off. The neck does.
So it goes that way.
It's in a it's in a metal.
Like a channel.
It's in a metal channel.
Oh, is it really?
In a metal block that's in the neck. Oh, the neck. No, it's the. Well, I can't remember anymore. Fucking forgotten. It's in there. You see, there's a block, and it's a dovetail block.
Yeah.
And a dovetail receptacle.
Yeah.
All in metal. It's so overcomplicated. Martin have been making guitars for 100 odd years. They should know by now what works.
They're probably just trying something different, aren't they?
Yeah, they're trying something different.
So what's the model exactly? What's it say down there?
It says fuck off and don't be so nosy. Crafted in somewhere in Mexico.
Oh. Is that the model? It's a long model number.
Oh, that's what it is. It's SC-13E Special.
Okay.
Okay, designed in Nazareth, Pennsylvania. That's where all the Dutch are, isn't it?
I don't know. Where is the headquarters for Martin? Is it like in Nashville or somewhere, or Knoxville or somewhere like that?
I don't know.
It's a nice looking guitar. What's all this here?
That's a tuner.
Oh, a tuner. What's going on with all that bracing down there? It looks like heavy duty bracing. You could probably put a pair of wings on
Well,
this.
they put an X brace in the back rather than the top. Well, they've got one in the top as well, so they've got 2 lots of X bracing.
Why would you do that? I've never seen an acoustic with that bracing there like that.
Well, everything about it is different, isn't it?
Well, that's no bad thing, I suppose, but what's that
Where
there?
that is? Up there. So anyway, there you go, and there's a great big thing that fastens on the back to them magnets.
Took it with him, didn't he?
Magnets.
I remember what that was. That was a system that you can. It kind of receives the vibrations through the guitar.
Yeah.
And then it amplifies like delay and chorus, doesn't it, into the sound hole, which then comes out. Sorry, into the body, which then comes out the sound hole.
Yeah.
So you could have like. That's
Mark's.
Bloody hell. I didn't realise the edging was so green.
It isn't all green.
No, but it's quite green. It's got a green.
It's got blue inlays on the neck there, and blue abalone shell down the neck, and I've got green abalone round the body.
Yeah. I didn't realise there was that much green on it.
Yeah.
No, I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm saying it just looks very green, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, I've used a different abalone shell. There's blue dolphins.
Yeah.
We'll have a blue dolphin.
Oh yeah, dolphins.
And Yeah, and there's some different there, abalone shell.
Okay,
And
now.
that's a fake abalone shell though.
That's not good enough, Doug.
Well, it was nice for this cover. I thought it was a nice change.
You know, it is a... I didn't realise it was quite as elaborate as it is.
Yeah.
There's his Chinese...
his Chinese thing
sort
of his rug.
He's got the... Yeah, well, he did have that in his house. I've seen it,
Yes.
the rug, but...
And I matched the bridge to it. I even matched that part of the bridge.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
actual insert of the bridge, you know, the actual bridge. This is just the receptacle of the bridge.
So, does Janet want to sell it?
Yeah, she can't have it in the house, she said.
She can't stand looking at it.
She's still upset.
It's quite sad, really. I mean,
Yeah.
it's all bloody odd, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
So, is it like
26
just...
frets.
How many? What, sorry?
26 frets. 12th fret, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 frets.
Can you play me a tune on the 24th to the 26th fret, please,
Yeah,
Doug?
of course I can. That's a nice tune, isn't it?
Well, it's certainly what you might call quite a unique commission at the time, wasn't it?
It's Christmas Eve, babe. In the Drunken
G, yeah.
said to me,
A next.
won't see another one. And then he sang the song that I don't like to do. I turn my face away.
No. A, D. It's not
What's wrong with B minor?
B minor doesn't occur in that part of the song. When it goes, there was... That's like G, B minor, A, D. B minor, A, D. No, it's not... It's... You got the right chords, just in the wrong order.
Yes, I always do that.
You know, I listened to that yesterday because you said you wanted to do
I haven't played
it.
it for years. Yeah, we just did it last night.
I listened to it yesterday properly.
Yeah.
First time I've really listened to it properly.
Yeah.
It's an absolutely wonderful song. The lyrics are phenomenal.
Yeah.
If you listen to, you just think he's like a bit of a drunkard. Well, he obviously was a drunkard.
Yes.
The lyrics on that song are just
Yeah, great.
really
Yeah,
good.
very good, isn't it? Anyway, this is for sale, boys and girls and big ones. As you can imagine, it will fetch you a fair old price. It's a lot of work in it. Lots of inlay work in wood as well as pearl.
Yeah, but the thing is, Doug, it's going to fetch what it fetches.
Well, no, because I won't sell it if somebody offers me silly daft money, low money.
Yeah, well,
So all that work,
it's not up to you though, is it?
it is. It's my guitar to sell.
No, but she said, I want to sell it.
Yeah, she doesn't mean that she wants it out the house more than selling it.
So if I said, I'm just joking now, if I said I'll give you 200 quid,
I'd tell you, I'd throw you out the door.
well, 210 then. Then
I'll use my big hammer.
Can I stay in for 210? That's a very red guitar, Doug.
It is. No, I haven't sprayed this.
So what's the background on this red guitar?
It's John Catchy. I think it's Catchy or something.
John Catcher?
Catchy. He's a gas engineer.
What's that got to do with it?
Come on, I'm just telling you. I'm giving you his fucking background.
What's his favourite meal? Does he like steak? Does he have
I
cornflakes in
think
the
he
morning?
probably does. Yeah. He's a bodybuilder.
Bodybuilder, eh?
He's also a gas fitter, and he's a very good guitar player.
Have you had him doing any gas work here?
No.
He's not that guy who wanted like cactuses sprayed on his guitar.
That's the man.
Is that him?
Yeah.
He's friended me. I'm friends with him now.
Yeah, he's
He's
good.
a nice guy, isn't he? Yeah.
Yeah. lovely lad.
Oh yeah, you can tell he works out a bit, can't you? Yeah.
Works out a bit.
Well, you know what I mean.
He's like fucking. What's the name? That green man. Thulk.
The Hulk.
Ah, Thulk.
Don't make me angry.
He's a nice lad.
Yeah. But this guitar is surely too plain for him.
He'll probably have it sprayed again. He'll probably get the.
He'll probably have some kind of exotic Brazilian flower all over it or something.
It'll be a fruit.
I think he lives in Blythe actually. Let's see. Blythe, from that area.
Well, Blythe as in
Blythe
Northumberland or
Blythe Bridge.
Blythe Bridge.
So remember when he was here? I think he mentioned he was from that way.
Yeah.
Where I was born. So what kind of model is it?
Scalloped. It isn't a model. It's bits.
Well, what's this here?
It's
What's
bits.
That
I don't know.
That's Yingwi.
Oh, it's a
It's
Wangy Monster,
neck.
is it?
Comes to something when I've got to tell you what you're working on.
I don't fucking look half the time. I don't care.
Language, Doug. Language.
Oh.
You know, I'm always getting accused. Now, I can see the messages. Fucking hell, Carl winding Doug up again. Someone said the other day, can't believe he hasn't punched him yet. How the fuck can he, Doug, put up with him? You know.
Yes, I'm on their side, you're right. How can I put up with you?
I did reply to one the other day. I said, look, I've known Doug a long time. This guy's a fucking nightmare. If you'd known Doug, we'd all be like laying into him. We'd have him on the ground, just taking it in turns to jump on his face.
I'm very mild-mannered.
Yeah, well, you weren't years ago.
No, I wasn't.
You're a nasty man though.
I was.
Yeah. Brutal.
People who need people.
Um.
Are the luckiest people
Fiddly dee.
in the world.
So where's he had this guitar from then? Just bought the bits and pieces, like you said.
Yeah, it's a bits and pieces guitar.
Well, nice to see somebody enthusiastic about the guitar. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you know where he's got the bits from?
No. I didn't ask.
You never ask any questions, do you?
No, I don't.
I'd have thought you'd
I'm
gone.
not very nosy, you know. I'm just.
No, it's not that. It's your profession.
I know.
Surely you'd say, "Oh, where have you got this body from?" And he'd say,
You think all those things, but you'd be wrong.
Yeah, but you-
I don't give a shit.
Then he'd say, "Well, fiddlediddle.com."
Yeah.
And you'll say, "Yeah, I noticed that because they've done a very good job at blah 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 here."
Yeah.
So I'm
See, that's not going to be. I've marked it out where the holes are, and it's going to put the neck all at the wrong place. So now we're going to have to put it on and see where it lines up with them bits of.
Aye. Got a young chap here.
Come in.
Yeah, I'll end this.
Oh, it's a
Hang on,
guitar.
somebody else as well. Yeah.